No, ladies first. All right, come on.
Take it outside. Get it. Take it outside.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most polite dogs on the internet.
Dasher, do you want broccoli? Do you... Okay. Okay.
Look at that little offering. He wants to make sure you get some too.
Yes.
What in He's holding the door open for you.
This dog holding the door open, bro.
A truly distinguished player. He lets the ball settle down first. No rushing allowed. The formal meet and greet. Handshake first, then playtime. Unsupervised toy cleanup. Where can I hire this level of responsibility?
Okay, snuggle up. Good night.
Yours. Okay?
That's clean, man. That's really all.
Take the hint, Human. I cannot commence sleep.
Benson, how did you get so cute? How did you get so cute?
不吃啊？
Peak vacation mode. Please do not disturb the canine solar charger.
Hello.
Hello.
Guess who will earn extra kibble allowance this month?
You shut the door. Shut it. Is it good?
None of these people felt like cooking today. So how they be hard.
I've never had time to chop vegetables.
If exquisite manners need a furry demonstration, contact this little guy. Clearly waiting for his afternoon tea, give him a rope, guys.
Sal, help Ace get your fur off the carpet. Help him. Help him. Yeah. Good boy. Get it up.
Dogs have non-verbal communication skills. Watch this pup wake his deaf brother when mum arrives.
There you go. Well done. Isn't that nice? You're welcome.
The line for the water cooler is far too civilized. Hats off!
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh.
We all have a friend who's cool effortlessly. Tag them here.
Mangia.
Who needs first-class service? We have a throne over here.
Whatever. Sit. Speak. 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 Speak.
Many dogs are naturally protective, even if it's a tiny fly.
My ball. Can you go get my ball? Can you go get my ball? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, can you drop it? Oh my god. Oh.
This hypermarket needs to install a VIP, very important puppy waiting lounge. Knock knock, who's there? Your bestest furry friend. When the pup realizes the only way to get more treats,
Okay. Okay. Want to kiss? Okay.
this dog holds a PhD in emergency logistics.
Chévere. Dale.
We all know dental visits are scary. He is providing the emotional support needed. This pup is gently waking up his boyfriend. Hope your day is brighter now. If you enjoyed these comedian dogs, please like and subscribe for more. See you!